The hands-free feature on Instagram allows users to record videos without having to hold down the record button continuously. It offers a convenient way to capture videos, especially for scenarios where users want to be in the frame or need both hands-free. Here's how it works. Open the Instagram camera. Tap on the plus button on the bottom center of the Instagram app to access the camera interface. Switch to video mode. Swipe right or tap on the video option at the bottom of the screen to switch to video mode. Activate hands-free mode. Tap on the hands-free button located on the bottom center of the screen. This switches the recording mode from normal to hands-free. Start recording. Tap the red record button once to start recording. You will see a progress bar indicating the recording time. Stop recording. To stop recording, tap the record button again or reach the maximum time limit for a video. The hands-free feature allows users to record videos more easily, as they don't have to physically hold down the record button throughout the recording. It provides greater flexibility for capturing videos, allowing users to be more present in the moment or engage in activities while still recording.